I guarantee to help you land a full-time private chef contract worth at least $100,000 per year within the next 6 months, or you won't pay a cent. Are you a chef, a sous, executive chef, or private chef, already grinding your ass, but somehow still not hitting $10,000 to $20,000 a month consistently? You already worked in Star Michelin restaurant or have a strong fine dining background, managing kitchens and giving 12 hours a day to your craft, but the income still doesn't match the sacrifice. You've been told and accepted that you were not there for the money, but something still doesn't feel right. I've been there. I know what it's like to give everything to someone else's business and still feel like you're not getting anything in return. And that's why I built this. But I haven't just to build it for myself. I also build it for dozens of other chefs and private chefs who now are consistently making $10, $20, sometimes $30,000 in a single month.
Last week alone, I secured one wedding that's worth over 6,000, another wedding that's worth 4,000, and then I've got 2 more inquiries as well.
Working with Julian was a game changer for me. But right now I'm charging $750 per day while working for these private clients.
Now that we have that experience and being from Miami, we take this talent to Miami and we sell it for what it's worth.
For a client, I got everything paid, flight, accommodations, everything. It's just incredible. My life changed, actually.
I've been working with Julian for 4 months, and in the last 2 months, I have earned more than I did in the previous 6 months.
My name is Julian. I used to work 80 hours a week, from doing 500 covers in a French brasserie to 35 seats in a 3-star Michelin restaurant, working in Monaco for Alain Ducasse. I was respected for my food, but not for my time. I was making $3,800 a month to, at my peak, maybe like 6,000, working harder than most people ever will. Until I realized that my skills were not the problem, but my positioning was. 13 months after I quit my last job, I signed a full-time private chef contract for over $100,000 a year, nights and weekend off, no budget for food, and absolute creative freedom for a family of 6. Since then, I've built an artificial intelligence infrastructure that does it all for other chefs. And we've helped dozens to leave the kitchen, land high-end clients, and finally earn what they're worth.
Working with Julian has opened my eyes up to see that there are far more possibilities within the private industry, far more possibilities with regards to creating freedom, both financial freedom and freedom of time for myself.
Let's be real, you're already good at what you do. You don't need more certifications. You don't need more cash in the bank. You don't need a culinary degree, and you definitely don't need more years in the kitchen. What you need is a way to present yourself as a 10K a month private chef. Get into rooms where ultra high net worth clients are waiting and close the kind of deals that can change the rest of your life. That's what we do for you.
Honestly, working with Julian made me really appreciate the journey.
I've been doing this course with Julian, and honestly, it has opened up my eyes on the business end of the things.
Julian is about empowering you to get your goals. He will get you to those goals that you envisioned.
Julian has a structure, and Julian knows how to help us chefs earn more money doing the job that we are good at in a different and unique way.
And I'm in the Elite Chef Academy with Julian. He completely changed my life.
Step number 1, we build your high-end chef brand. Most chefs never hit $10,000 or $20,000 per month because they do not look like the type of chefs that ultra high net worth clients actually trust. We changed that in the first 72 hours.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Chef Oliver here. Got some fantastic news. I just secured a really nice party for about 10 to 12 people, $135 a head here in Chicago. I'm 21 years old, so this is super exciting. Can't wait to make my clients' culinary dreams a reality.
We design your entire brand from scratch. Your website, portfolio, booking system, proposal, and pitch. So that when a client sees you, even if they never met you before, they instantly know this is the one. No more chasing clients. No more scrambling to look legit. You show up with a clean, powerful presence that does the talk for you. Step number 2, we bring you fresh leads every week. But great branding doesn't mean anything if nobody sees it. So we handle that too. We find decision makers, real people with money who are looking for chefs right now. We pre-qualify them, clean the list, and we push them into your CRM with direct information. You don't wake up wondering, how do I find clients? You wake up with new leads already warmed up. Your only job, open your dashboard, see who's interested, and respond. Step number 3, we automate sales so you only talk to buyers. Here is where most chefs burn out. The follow-ups, the awkward calls, the no-show. We build a system to eliminate all of that. Every lead that replies is handled by a smart follow-up system. Every reply tracked. Every qualified buyer's nudged towards your calendar. When someone's ready, you get pinged or a booked call. You show up and you close the deal. And if closing scares you, we coach you or we close for you. Step number 4, we place you or we work with you for free until we do. This doesn't rely on posting on Instagram, recruiters calling you once in a year. We don't stop at calls, leads, or even pretty websites. Our job is to get you placed in a real full-time contract. $8, $12, $15, $20,000 every single month. And if it doesn't happen in 6 months, you don't just get a refund. We work with you for free until you get placed. Because you're not just getting help, you're getting a result. And I am the only one confident enough to contractually guarantee it. Now, let me be clear. If you're not serious about investing in your future and treating yourself like a business, if you just want a quick side hustle to make an extra $2,000 a month, or you're not ready to show up, get uncomfortable, and receive feedback by elite trained private chefs, this isn't for you. But if you are a serious chef, ready to break out of burnout and build a career that pays you what you're worth, then keep watching. Chefs I work with today are exactly where you are 6 months ago. Some were executive chefs. Others were private chefs, but still stuck in a full-time or part-time job because they couldn't make enough money to go full-time with their business. Some were just chefs who believed more for themselves and ready to take a leap. Now, they are working full-time for clients who are paying them $10, $15, sometimes $20,000 every single month. Imagine getting one client paying you like a pro athlete, one contract that replaces your full-time job. That's not a dream. That's what we do every single week. If you're still here, you already know this is possible for you. The only question is, will you be the next chef we'll place? Book a free 15-minute call right now. We'll review your profile, show you what's possible, and if you're fit, we move fast. I will only onboard 7 chefs this month. Once all the spots are filled or this video disappears, the opportunity is gone. Click the button, book your call, and let's get you placed.